guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today I'm here with my mom Kathy, and we're going to be making our autumn leaves soap.
Before we start making the soap, I want to thank everybody that watches our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We appreciate it, and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. And don't forget, because our next video, we are going to make a video about a giveaway. Our 100 giveaway. I know it's not a lot of subscribers, but for us it is. So don't forget to watch our next video and find out what we're going to give away. Alright, so thank you so much for watching again, and let's go making this soap.
Let's get soaping!
Hello, this is Kathy, and I'm here today to make our first fall soap. Okay, so this one is gonna have little leaves on top, like that. I made, with those are the embeds. It's gonna be on top. It's gonna be a low top soap. I'm not gonna have, piping or anything on it. It's gonna have a drop swirl and a pot swirl, maybe, or a drop swirl. I think we're gonna do a drop swirl. And today we are using some cappuccino mica from Brambleberry. This one over here, and I actually have it right in here in a little bit of oil. And then we have Orange Vibrance from Nurture Soap right here. And we have another one that is actually the Burgundy, what is it? Burgundy pigment, and that's an oxide, right, Kelsey?
Yep.
And today Kelsey is here helping me, yay! And there we go here. Okay, so this is gonna be the base. The base is gonna be white, and after that, we're gonna divide the batter in 3 little sections for the drop swirl. So in my little bowl here, I have palm oil and coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, and almond oil. And I actually added a little bit of colloidal oatmeal and some coconut milk, organic coconut milk in here. So it's going to be nice and luxurious. Here's our usual recipe. There we go. It looks really nice and creamy already. So let's go and put our lye solution now. Okay, and the temperature right now is like 80 degrees for the lye solution and 74 for the oils. Alright, so let's do gently in here. And we're just going to make a small batch. I don't want to make any big, huge batches this time of the year because I want to sell them fast. Then we're going to go to our Christmas soaps. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so I'm going to blend this really fast, and I'm going to come back. Okay, I'm done blending, emulsifying the oils with the lye solution. So I'm going to put my custom-made fragrance oil here. I put some vanilla oak in there from Brambleberry. Cinnamon bun and fragrance oil that we got from a local store around here. And it smells really, really good. And to me, that's kind of like a fall scent because, what do you think, Kelsey?
I think so. Yeah.
I like to make those during fall season when the weather is cold. It's starting to get cold, and everything is starting to turn brown. The leaves come down. Okay, so we're gonna blend this just a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna put some of this in the bottom here. Just like that. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm gonna smack it down a little bit. So we're gonna stop the video for a second.
Okay.
And I'm gonna drop some of it over here. Some of this stuff here. Because it's getting really thick, so I'm gonna do it like this. And then I'm gonna use some of the burgundy that's getting super thick too. Darn it.
You got some on your arm.
Yeah, I know. Splashed it. Ay, ay, ay. So this guy's gonna be right here. And then we're gonna do this one. And I didn't use the blender for this because it's thickening it up really fast. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little bit more of this before it becomes soap on a stick. Seriously. Really? Wow. I'm gonna want to put some more here. A little bit more here. Okay. And there's gonna be a little bit of swirls. I'm gonna go all the way down. Just randomly, I don't really have any plans. Okay, now I'm gonna go like that. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of white on it. More of the cream here. Sorry about that. I'm blocking you guys. Gotta find a different way of doing this, so I don't have to. Okay. It's gonna be mostly gonna be covered, but I want it to look nice. I wanted a little bit of the design on top. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna have a little bit of this. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to put a little bit of glitter, a little bit of mica actually. It's sparkle mica with a little bit of orange, vibrant orange in there. Okay, and then I'm going to put my cute little leaves on top. For that I'm going to take my gloves off because I can't move my hands. Alright guys, it is our fall soap. What do we decide to call it, Kelsey? Autumn Leaves, right? Autumn Leaves, and there it is in all its splendor. It's very simple soap, nothing really special about it, and we have those cute little leaves on soap on top of it. So there it is, and we're gonna have this loaf stay for about 24 to 48 hours, and we're gonna cut it and see what's inside. So we'll see you guys at the cutting in about a second. For us it's gonna be about 2 days or a day, but for you it's gonna be just a second. So see you later. Okay guys, we're back. It's actually not even 18 hours, and I'm gonna unmold this soap here because it kind of got really hot last night and it gelled and it cracked a little bit. Because if you want to show the cracks, I did fix some of them, but right over here, right there, there's a little bit of cracking, but it doesn't look that bad. Okay, it's actually really nice. So I am going to unmold it, take the paper out here and everything, and we're gonna cut it. Alright guys, so let's cut the first slice here. Let's see what it looks like inside. We can kind of see a little bit here, but not really. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty nice, isn't it? And you can see the gelled a little. Let's see. Yeah. But it doesn't look bad. I think it looks great. What do you think, Kelsey?
Yeah, it looks great.
So that's what it looks, the first slice. Let's go. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's find out what we have in the next one. Wow. And the top looks like this. It's really nice too. See the little leaves and stuff. Like I said, it cracked a little bit, but not everywhere. So this one is a really good top. And you can barely see it where it cracks because I fixed it already. Anyway, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to speed this up a little bit, and then I'm going to show you the slices. Hi guys, so we're back. We cut all the bars. We got 15 bars for the loaf. Okay, that's the top over here. There you go. Looks really, really nice. And every bar is unique because, it's handmade. But I think it came out really, really good. This is going to be ready in October. I'm sorry, at the end of September. That's when this is going to be ready with all our winter, some of our winter Christmas soaps we're gonna have ready at that time of the year, hopefully, and we're gonna do 3 fall soaps. So the next one is gonna be our pumpkin spice. So tune in next week for our new video on pumpkin spice. Different design this year than last year. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give us thumbs up. And if you want to borrow this beautiful soap, come and get it at the Buckley Public Market or you can message me on Facebook. I have a little store set up there. I don't have this one yet in it, but it will be, and I can send it to you from there. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I see you guys in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to love each other.